Hey my friend, and welcome back. It's Will here over at Pips and Gains, back again with another trading analyst and setup video. Today we're going to look at the Euro New Zealand dollar. It is a recent trade idea I just posted to my TradingView profile. In today's video we're going to break the setup down, hopefully give you a better understanding how I look at the markets on the higher time frame charts and sharing a bigger time frame perspective. So before we actually get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now, show the thumbs up, show your support for the channel so I can keep on creating content like this, sharing my nearly 15 years experience in the FX markets. So let's head over to TradingView. Okay, first off, if you haven't yet followed me on TradingView, just simply search the FX Ace. You'll see my picture there with the thumbs up, and yeah, head there, hit the follow button. We're starting to gain some traction there. We're building a nice wee following, so hopefully we can get this rocking. So the trade is here. This was the post that I posted here before we go over to the charts. Okay, this is what we're looking at. We've basically now entered what I've written in the post. So I was expecting to move up towards the resistance area of 182. We've hit that now. Okay, break this post down. That the reason why I thought this was going up to 182. So if you can't quite understand my Irish tone, you can head over there and you can actually read the post. So let's head over to the charts and break this down. So first off, we're going to head over to the monthly. I'm going to make sure I delete all drawings just so we can break it down, and we'll look at the monthly chart. So we are approaching some key areas on this, and first off, now if you want to understand how I identify these areas, I do have a introduction in the price action course on my TradingView, or sign up with TradingView on my YouTube channel. It should be about here somewhere, up either the left or right, where you can click and watch it after the video. So right here, just color this. I like to have all mine color coded red. So we can see here on the monthly charts, this is a monthly area where you can see the price, it rallied up, and then these big push down here. You can tell this is big players coming into the market. We also have a resistance level here, right at the start of that level thing at 185,500, and then other areas we want to look at on the monthly charts is, let me zoom in. Okay, we always want to look when we're looking. When the market's going up, we want to look left and see what it's retracing, what the market is retracing back up. So we're looking left here, left and up. We're identifying the zone and we're identifying resistance areas. Next, we want to look down and see what the market is creating. So we can see here that this is not yet a newly created monthly zone. Basically, we need to wait for this monthly candle to close above this high here. We also have a resistance area here. That's the 182 that the market is popping into this area. So if you read the post, this was the kind of sell zone I was looking for, between 182 and 186. And if we zoom into the weekly charts, we'll get a better picture of what is actually going on. So in the TradingView post, I talked about this level here that the market was breaking out of. It was around 182,500. We can actually see this better in the daily charts. Okay, this will act now as some sort of support and a new weekly level. Just delete this monthly level. We've got a new weekly level here. Okay, see the market rallying up, swing low up here. These swings up here before the market paused didn't create anything. Then we had this retracement 2 weeks ago, and then we've got the next bullish leg up. So this week is closing above. So this is the actual area that has caused the new high in the trend, and we're actually hitting 183 as we speak, which is insane, the move this week in this pair. So We're breaking up through the 82 resistance as talked about, and we're breaking up through these levels here. So the market looks like it is targeting this monthly level here up towards 185. Alright, so that's what we've mapped out on the monthly and weekly. These are the key areas. Be interesting to see where the market closes today, if it does close back in. This is a level here also. So we'll see if the market does retrace today and close back in. I don't think it will. And likely heading up north here. So now we want to look at on the lower time frame charts, is it what kind of price action is actually happening here. So see, we had the sideways movement here. Okay. What's interesting to note here, as the market is moving up towards this resistance, is the lower highs being created. It's stepping up all the way up, and then we get the breakout. So it's not really moving sideways, it's stepping up in trend. So if you look at it, get an arrow here, so we can see here lower low, another lower high here, so this kind of price action, when you see this kind of price action here, it's not moving sideways, although it is popping a new high and then selling off. It's not, when it's selling off, it's not creating a new low, so it's not really a period of distribution just yet. It is moving sideways, but we're getting these lower highs here as the market pumps up, and then we get the breakout. I do suspect this is the last breakout to the high side into this area, and what I'm looking for here is now using my TRFX King indicator. As I explained in the post, I'm basically waiting for a daily sell signal inside this box area here. So this is the kind of area I'm waiting for a sell signal to occur inside here. This is the sweet spot, and targets for this trade will be, obviously, as I always explain, I'll just remove all these levels now, and it gives you a lot easier to better picture to see where we could target. Okay, so my first easy target will be this high here. Okay, this is a swing high, so when the market where it does stop, okay, we're not just blindly entering here, we're waiting for the daily signal to occur. This will be the first signal, the first entry point, and you've got this weekly level here, and if you look at the post, expecting to move up into here. It's going up a little bit further already, then a move down to kind of this area here, 175. And if we look at the monthly charts, get a better picture, we could get a deeper correction all the way down to this level here. So market does look like it's targeting the 185 area. We will see. Like I said, now we're in the selling area like I've identified. I'm simply going to wait for the sell signal now. So could pop up here, sell off, boom, down to here, then all the way down. That could be the direction. Now we could get, you can see, like every time it comes up here, we do get a big spike. This is a key area, so it's going to be interesting to see how this reacts around the 185 level. But I am expecting this to start to sell off soon. But we're not just going to blindly enter the market. We're going to wait for the TRFX King indicator to print a sell signal. Basically, on a daily chart would be better for this. A daily signal would be better for this position in and around this area. So we'll see where what happens with this. You can head over to TradingView, read the post here. If you just can't quite understand what I'm talking about here, read the post. It's very detailed, and it'll give you a better perspective of what is actually going on and how I am looking at the markets. Don't forget, make sure you follow me on TradingView. If you want to access my TRFX King Indicator absolutely free, there will be a link below in the description area or the comment section of this video. Now, to access it, you will have to enter your email. You will be asked to provide your TradingView ID and make sure you are following my TradingView profile so it can be uploaded into your invite only scripts. So, hope you enjoyed the video. It is looking like a great setup. We could possibly bank anywhere from 500 to 1,000 pips in this when we get the correct signal on the daily charts. It's just simply waiting for that signal to occur. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a fantastic trading day. Well over at Pips and Gains.